Alright, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge here outside. Nice, it's April spring day. It's almost got to kind of hurry this video up. It's almost 8 o'clock at night, so I don't know how much sun I'm going to have, but I purchased Cold Steel SR1 Lite Tanto. So, go over, you can see it looks like kind of doing a improv. So it's got a 8CR14 MOV blade, 4-inch long. Kind of polished it up. You can actually see the lines. So pop over to here. Won't be able to see. So this is the picture of it from Amazon. I actually paid $40 for it, and I guess it dropped again. Now it's $35.11. So if you want to get on it, this is a pretty cool knife. So it's made in Taiwan. It's cold steel, Tanto blade. Let's see what this says here. Set this down. The triad lock. Close that up. Look at the pictures here. Grivex, that's what they call the handles. It's a more affordable 8CR13 blade. Comes razor sharp, it does. Blade length is 4 inches. Handle length is 5 3/8. It's almost 7 ounces. Almost weighs 7 ounces. 6.9. So, if someone's got a fire going a little bit across the valley right there, it smells good. So it's got a almost 4.5-star rating. And like I said, I spent $40 just a few days ago for it. Now it's dropped down to $35. So I might want to get on that. Get back out of here. It looks like they have the clip point one. They didn't have that before. They have a clip point one for $40. And of course, you can get the Tanto point, or the real one, for $131. But that's like with G10 and liner and the better steel. But this is the one I got right here. So we're going to go back to my picture so I can see what I'm doing. And like I said, here's the knife itself. See, I'm making sure I'm recording. Yeah, it's only been 3 minutes. All right. So SR1. So you see the backside. And I did bend the clip a little bit. It's very, very tight on your pants. So I took the pocket clip off and bent it up, because it would tear your pants up probably if you tried to put it on. What do you think about this knife there, Vicky?
I haven't even looked at it.
Here, you want to stay over here. I'm filming this way, but you could. You don't care?
All
right.
I'll see what I'm filming.
This is all we got right here. This is a little screen. That's all I'm
Hi,
filming.
little screen.
So,
What do you want me?
how do you like it? Yeah.
Well, that's kind of long.
It's a 4-inch blade.
No, the handle feels
It's
different. I like. Well, it's a nice, chunky, thick.
Yeah, it's a thick blade.
It's a thick.
Yeah, I should flip that over so you can see how thick that is.
Well, yep, but it's pretty darn sharp too, right out.
Yeah.
I like it because it's very, very square, very straight.
Yeah. And it cuts you too if you
Angelo.
You try dropping it like I was dropping it, and I dropped
Cut his finger right away.
Smashed it there, and still a little bleed right there.
Yeah.
So
I was collecting eggs today.
Oh yeah, she has chickens.
I've got a brown egg layer, and they're pretty. It's not a chicken video.
But anyways, yeah.
Nice.
All right. Alright, let's see. So, let me do a real recap. Tanto blade, SR1 Lite, cold steel, made in China or made in Taiwan. Triad backlock blade back, and you hear the click. Alright, I'm gonna nice short video. Alright. Alright, if you remember liking it, if you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. See ya. Bye.